Hey guys, we're out here fishing this beautiful ocean inlet. You got Levi, Gracelyn, and Amanda. Amanda's being shy. She don't want to be seen on camera. We got our little chariot right there. We got the golf cart chilling. We're gonna catch us some dinner tonight. Woo! Hit that like and subscribe, guys. God bless you, and God bless the USA. Y'all take care of yourselves. Check out their channel, Full Throttle Adventures and Unboxing. They got 46 subscribers. Let's get them up to 50. Let's get them up to 100 by the end of the week, guys. Help us out. Hit that like and subscribe. Full Throttle Adventures and Unboxing.